Welcome back to Pump Info News. My people will get time for Tori. We dey for our table here today. We near Abaribe. Don't come outside. Can't talk many things about Simon Ekpa along the line with the Biafran government in exile members who arrive in Finland for Biafra declaration. We also have the US at the other hand. He said many things against Simon. But let's watch the videos. At the moment where Biafra government in exile arrive in Finland for the Biafra declaration, let us also watch what the Abaribe said concerning Simon Ekpa before we jump for waiting US can talk.
Reason is that everybody using his name and the name of IPOB to perpetrate violence and mayhem. And I always ask the same Simon Ekpa and their group. You want Biafra? Fine. Do you want Biafra, or do you get Biafra by killing the same Biafrans you want? How? How does murdering people, how does kidnapping people, how does going around and spreading mayhem, killing policemen, burning police stations down and all that help you?
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As that one day happen, let us hear waiting this US member come aside and can talk about Simon Ekpa as well.
Simon Ekpa, job guy, job man, in at all, a very known entity, a senseless human being. This is exactly what he's using to deceive all of you. Wearing gold-plated clothes, gold-plated shoe, using the sheer gold-coated, as some of you will be thinking that no one Okoko, a son of nobody. I keep on asking this question. Answer me. Where is Simon Ekpa from? Gables? Who is his father? You can't answer me that question. But he will come out there and begin to dance. And he's telling you people that Biafra is coming on 2nd of December. The propaganda they are pushing now is like they are giving them a job. I am the one that are giving Simon Ekpa a job. After this video now, he will also screenshot it and go and put it on his social media. Where he's going to give you Biafra on 2nd of December. On social media now, where else? I tell you, you see, that is why you get Simon Ekpa understand the mentality of African people. Mostly people that are living in that contraption called Damilebuzu, Nigeria. If you see the share that Simon Ekpa is using, there is no any European man as he stands today that you will go to his house, you will see such a share. They have upgraded. This is the share they are using, 30 years ago. But why I'm saying this to you all is because when you go to Nigeria today, everybody the share they are putting in their house must be gold plated or silver coated because they are still living primitive life, dark ages. They are thinking that by you, plated your share with gold or coated it with silver, that makes you somebody. And Simon Ekpa have understood that. That is why he went to go to Flute Mark, where they have already abandoned things. The people that are using this kind of share that Simon Ekpa is using today, when you go to their house, you will see that these people, their age will be 80, 70, 60 years. 70, 80 years, 90 years ago. The age of these people. But because Simon Ekpa understands this, our people, he will use it, use gold-plated, use everything gold. All of them are gold, but they are all coated. They are all plated. But because of the mentality of our people, now they will turn around and said, if this guy is living like this in Europe, so that means that North is Juliani. You don't even know that. Nothing. Like I said, all this thing that you are seeing, Simon Ekpa on our Paul, this is format. I keep on telling you people, this is format. See, I love myself. You know, things that I used to do, or by seeing me on the screen, you will understand who I am. We don't need to wear something coated for you to understand that we are living fine. We don't have to wear anything plated for you to know that we tell you how it is. And we are not coming here for you to like me, or I'm not coming here for you to like me or to love, but I already love myself. But the end now go on. 2nd of December is coming. We are here. We are going nowhere. On our bottom of my Jackson, we have a good. Simon Ekpa is in an entity. I tell you. Ask the members who can know the general. Right, wonderful people, back to back. I am Mazoke no Kechukwu, the general. Breaking news. I know some of you will begin to doubt it, because all of you are doubting Thomas. But I am the one that is going to tell you the truth. And you are going to hear the update from me. That is why I'm telling you there is no need hating on me. There is no need. Because I'm here to tell you the truth always. Simon Ekpa have finally spoken. Like I said before, Simon Ekpa was not arrested by any local police in Finland. That Simon Ekpa is hiding. That Ngozi Orebeze should come and tell us where is Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa now is telling you that he was not arrested by anybody. Nobody arrested him. That no JG Okpo, that he will use blow to destroy the president of Nigeria mouth, which is Ahmed Bola Tinubu. That is exactly what Simon Ekpa said on this video. And all of you are going to listen to it. Don't doubt it. We are here. Mazoke no Kechukwu, the general. Update. Now you will hear and understand. In a time like this, that is why I'm here, to always give you update. According to Simon Ekpa, he said that he's going to use blow to tear the president of Nigeria mouth. He's going to, geji blow kwase on. He's talking to Tinubu. He said that Tinubu don't have what it takes to arrest him. And at the same time, he said nobody ever crossed his door. I told you people that Simon Ekpa was hiding. But some of you won't believe me. But at the end, you will know. We are here. Okay. Pay attention and listen.
All right, thank you very much, everyone. May God bless you all from here. That one.
Thank you. Thank you, PM.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone. I think we're going to end this Zoom.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please share this video and drop your own opinion for inside the comment section. And also make sure they follow our Facebook, on our subscribe to our YouTube as well, so that you could get our information back to back as it is hot.